Talon is preparing for pre-registration week. A few days before pre-registration week, Talon schedules a meeting with his advisor to create a class schedule. Meeting with your advisor ensures that you will take the classes needed to stay on track to graduate. Now, Talon waits for the pre-registration portal to open up on EagleNet. The portal opens at 12:01 a.m. each day. The portal will open on Monday for seniors, Tuesday for juniors, Wednesdays for sophomores, and Thursday for freshmen. To begin registration for courses, open an internet browser and go to www.alc.edu. Click on EagleNet in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your EagleNet login and password. Click on Student on the menu bar near the top of the screen. Click Add Drop Courses from the left-hand menu, then click Add Drop Courses again. When the Add Drop period is open, click Search to view all courses available for the semester. Click the Add checkbox beside the courses you discussed with your advisor. Once finished selecting your courses, click the Add Courses button at the bottom of the screen. You will receive a confirmation message. Your schedule is now in your academic advisor's queue to approve. Your seats are reserved in the course, even if it takes some time for the advisor to approve your course requests. If a class is full and you would like to be placed on the waitlist, add the course if you are going to register for the class, and then select Add to Waitlist on the warning message. The registrar and the instructor will work off of the waitlist when seats come available to fill seats in order of the request for the waitlist seat as received. You can contact IT for login assistance. support@alc.edu. If any changes must be made to your course request, the advisor, academic dean's office, or the registrar will contact you through your alicelloyd.edu campus email. Talon is now ready for the next semester.